Hey everybody, I wanted to do a motivational video for you. Um, just want to motivate and encourage everybody. That's what this channel is about, to show you how to do for yourself, fix things, save money, but just grow and do for yourself and be independent so you don't have to depend on anybody around you, any entity to do for you, family, friends, and government included. You don't want to depend on family, friends, or government, or an old job, or bad habits, or negative people you used to hang around who get you in trouble or do, that are not positive. So you need to be independent. Don't be dependent. When you're dependent, it puts limits on you. It puts limits on your earning potential, on your skill set, because you're not going to grow. You're not going to do new things and different things because you don't have to do them for yourself because someone's doing it for you. That's not good. It's going to ruin your future plans, where you live, what kind of house you can afford, all of this stuff. And it's going to limit your freedom as well because you don't have as many options and as many choices. So just again, other people, family, friends, especially the government, don't let them do for you what you should be doing for yourself. And that goes for your parents as well, because then you're handicapped and you're limited. Take control of your life, your finances, and your family, your children, everything around you. It's easy to fall to the trap of being dependent when we all need help sometimes. So, but it's difficult though sometimes. If you fall into that trap, you'll be dependent for a long time. You'll be maintained, and that's where you stop growing, and you get the mindset like an employee instead of having the mindset of a boss. We need to change our mindset. We'll work 40 to 70 hours a week. We can be sick and tired, dying. We'll still work, go punch that clock. But on our days off, we won't spend 4 hours of our own time learning something or researching something that's going to help us get ahead and make us some money for ourselves and our families. But on Monday, guess what? We're going to go right back to punching the clock. So I'm not trying to down anybody. This is motivation and encouragement. That's what this channel's about. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.